Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Valorant name. Your in-game name in Valorant is tied to your Riot ID, which you can update through your Riot Games account. This change is available to you once every 90 days, allowing for regular updates if you wish. We will guide you through the simple steps to ensure your new name is reflected across all your Riot titles quickly and efficiently. To change your name, first, log into your Riot Games account on their official website. Next, locate the Riot ID section within your account settings. You will then see fields where you can enter your new desired Riot ID and a unique tagline. After inputting your new name and tagline, simply confirm the changes. Your updated name will then be visible in Valorant and any other Riot games you play. It is important to remember that your Riot ID is your main in-game name, and the tagline is the unique 3 to 5 digit code that follows it. This name change will affect all Riot games linked to your account, not just Valorant. Always ensure your chosen name adheres to Riot Games naming policies to avoid any complications or needing to change it again due to violations. Regarding how often you can change your name, Riot Games allows you to update your Riot ID once every 90 days. This service is provided completely free of charge. While there is no lifetime limit on the number of changes you can make, you must observe the 90-day cooldown period between each alteration. Therefore, it is wise to choose your new name carefully to avoid waiting for another 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.